Posters once again appeared in different areas urging the people to observe a complete strike on May 22nd against the hosting of G20 meeting in Srinagar by the Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government. The All Parties Hurriyat Conference has called for the shutdown in occupied Kashmir and Azad Kashmir on May 22nd to protest against the Modi regime's move aimed at misleading the international community about the real situation of the occupied Kashmir. The posters were pasted by the All Parties Hurriyat Conference and different organizations including Varsine Shohda Jammu and Kashmir on the walls, pillars and poles in Srinagar, Badgam, Kupwara, Baramulla, Bandipora, Islamabad, Pulwama, Shopian, Kulgam and other areas of the occupied territory. Convener of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter, Mahmood Ahmad Sagar, has expressed his profound gratitude to the UN Special Rapporteur on minority issues, Fernand de Varennes, for voicing his concern over India's decision to hold the G20 meeting in Srinagar and its implications on the human rights situation in the region. US-based Sikhs have come forward to help the Kashmiris to expose Narendra Modi-led Indian government's evil design to hoodwink the world about the prevailing situation of the occupied Kashmir through holding of a G20 meeting in Srinagar. The Sikhs for Justice Khalistan movement urged the Kashmiris to block Srinagar airport to sensitize the delegates arriving there to attend the G20 event. India's dreaded National Investigation Agency and State Investigation Agency raided several houses in the Kashmir Valley and the Jammu region. According to Kashmir Media Service, the NIA and the SIA sleuths along with the paramilitary Central Reserve Police Force personnel raided over a dozen houses of the pro-freedom activists in the Kishtwar district. The NIA and SIA also raided and searched several houses and harassed the pro-freedom families at Reshipur Tral area of South Kashmir's Pulwama district. Hindutva BJP regime sealed the building of Sheikhul Alam Charitable Trust in Srinagar. The BJP regime sealed the trust and shifted 12 children to the government-run Child Care Institute in the Srinagar city. Communal Indian police have arrested 2 Muslim traders in Kishtwar district of the Jammu region. The police during checking intercepted the vehicles carrying cattle in Thalaran and Khanpura areas of the district and arrested the Muslim traders when they were transporting the bovine from Jammu region to the Kashmir Valley for the trade purpose. The police dubbed them as smugglers and took into possession 7 animals.